Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites so the setup will flow. Get a US Apple ID set to the United States region, make sure your iPhone is updated and wallet is enabled. Next, prepare a US-issued debit card with a matching US billing address. Apple Cash links to US bank verification. Once done, sign into iCloud and Apple ID on the device. Make sure Face ID or Touch ID is configured for secure payments. This initial setup avoids verification delays later. You now move into the detailed enablement steps. Open Wallet and tap the Apple Cash card placeholder. Accept the Apple Cash terms when prompted. Add and verify your US debit card. Apple uses it to confirm your account and to fund or withdraw. When asked, complete identity verification by entering your legal name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. This step unlocks full Apple Cash features. Make sure verification completes before attempting transactions. You finish by activating and testing Apple Cash so it's ready for use. Add funds or receive a payment to create an Apple Cash balance, then confirm the card shows as active in wallet settings. Try a small peer payment or Apple Pay purchase to verify flow. If something goes wrong, first recheck that your Apple ID region is United States, that the card is US-issued debit, not credit, and that identity verification completed. If still blocked, restart device and retry verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.